Alright, today is July 24th, and we just received our first shipment from Kingsley North, and it looks like it's packed really well. And then here we have all of our rough. I think we ordered 5 things here. And Kingsley sends you directions, which is fun. And then here's the rest. We can see how dusty the bags get and everything. So some of this is for slabbing, some of it's just for rough tumble. I mean, it's all rough, but some of it's for tumbling, some of it's for slabbing. So, wow. I'm gonna go wash this off so we can get the rock dust off of it, and then we can see what it really looks like. Because that doesn't look like anything at that juncture. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Alright, this is the Mexican Crazy Lace, and in the rough form. Now look at how beautiful it is. I mean, it's pretty now, but look how pretty it is once it's rinsed off. It's like magic, I swear. You get that original dust off of it, we'll put it in a container, and we'll set it aside for when you want to start tumbling it. But oh my gosh, isn't this just beautiful? Look at these pieces. Look at that. It's really something. Look at that. These are some pretty huge pieces. This is nice. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? Hope that one doesn't snap. There we go. And this is from Kingsley North. We are not plugging anybody. We're just telling you where we got our first set of stones for tumbling. So I ordered from several different vendors, and we're going to see how they perform. So we're going to do unboxing videos for each. See how they come, how long it takes to get the stock, you know, the shape of the stock as it comes in. So, yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, the next I'm going to show you is the Crazy Lace, the Mexican Crazy Lace that comes for slabbing. Now this is for rough tumble, or this is rough for tumbling, and now I'm going to show you rough for slabbing. One moment. Okay, this is the slabbing Crazy Ape, or Crazy Lace. We see that we've already had a couple pieces break off, but oh my god, that's going to be gorgeous once it's slabbed. Wow. Look at all that. Can't wait to get started on that. Okay, so this is dry, and you can see pretty dusty and dirty. And we're gonna harden the grass. Look at that. The magic of water. Just to get the surface dust off. Give you an idea of what we're gonna have once we start. Wow, damn, that's really pretty. Okay, we're gonna take this over and box it up until we're ready to start slabbing. Okay, here is the Bird's Eye Rhodolite. Evidently I ordered slabbing, and I meant to order tumbling rough. So this is going to be a neat project because we're going to break this up for tumbling rough. Now let's take a look at it with some water, shall we? Look at how beautiful that is. Just gorgeous. Wow. Let's go dry it off and put it away until we're ready. Hey, we're excited about this one. This is Spider Jasper. Comes out of Mexico. Look at how cool this is when it's dusty and dirty. Now this says that it's for cabbing, but but I'm going to break it up. Well, I'm going to do a couple slices for slabbing, and then the rest of it I'm going to break up for tumbling. So let's put some water on it. Hopefully you guys will get used to my shaky videoing. Okay, so far so good. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? That is so cool. Alrighty, on to the next one. Oh, with some Mexican confetti. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Again, this is for slabbing. So, I really think now this is all dusty and dirty. Let's. Oh, looks like. So, let's see. Oh, the rough. This is going to be really spectacular. I think I'm going to break this up for tumbling. I'll do 1 or 2 slices for slabbing, and the rest is going to be tumbled rock. Okay, all this product today came from Kingsley North out of Michigan, and I bought all Mexican stones. So that was interesting. Can't wait till we start tumbling. Alright, thanks for joining me.